Chrissy, wake up! Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new. I currently do not look normal because today is October 31st, 2022. If you're watching this in 2025, does Eddie come back? Please tell me, I need to know. I hope everything turns out okay for him. Today, I'm gonna just be showing you guys how I made this Eddie Munson costume, with my jacket and everything, and stuff. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Please remember to hit that subscribe button. Go check out any of my other links down below. Instagram, Twitter, eBay, all that stuff is down below. I've been posting a lot of stuff on my Instagram recently because I don't know why, and yeah, so that's cool. Okay, subscribe and stuff, and enjoy the video.
So the first thing I did is I gathered all my materials. I got this thrifted jacket, some fabric to make a bandana, a t-shirt, some patches, and a spiky belt so I could look cool. And as with any thrift flip, no matter what it is, you want to look up its history and make sure it doesn't have any historical or wealth value attached to it. If not, you can go ahead and go on with your project like I have here. No big deal. She's ready to be transformed. Here I am measuring where I was going to cut the sleeves. My Nana always told me, hi Nana, I know you're watching this, to measure twice and cut once or something like that. You can measure as much as you want, but you can only cut once. So yeah, and then I was hesitant to cut the sleeves because it was my first thrift flip. Went ahead with it anyway, and it looks pretty fabulous.
I'm sorry, you're gonna look fabulous.
And if you're wondering, Lauren, why are you cutting the sleeve so big? Autism and sensory processing disorder stuff. So yeah, I'm disabled, and that's okay.
Guess I'll do the other side now, and we'll see how it looks on. Oh my gosh. I'll clean up the edges here. Wonder if I should hem them or if I should just let them be messy. Probably just let them be messy. Yep.
And then I'm adding safety pins to the side because it looks cool, and I actually did cut off too much. I didn't measure correctly. So yeah, there's that. But then I look really cool in it. That should pop up on the screen any minute now. Yep, I look good. I look freaking rock and roll. And then I went ahead and cut out the front panel of the t-shirt to sew on the back of the jacket like so. And then I went ahead and pinned it to the back of the jacket and went to bed. I continued the next day.
It is the next day. Got my pink drink. Da-da-da-da. And I'm gonna sew this up, and it's gonna look freaking metal. Let's go. I had it pinned last night. Chrissy, wake up. I don't like this. Chrissy, wake up. Hey, hello. Time to wake up, time to wake up. Can you hear me? Wake up, Chrissy. What the f is going on? Chrissy, 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 Chrissy. Oh, there we go. Yes, I'm making this on the Sunday before. Ow! These damn pins! I swear I'd be Princess Aurora. Ow! Chrissy, wake up. I don't like this. Ow! Sewing is brutal. Not for the weak. Yeah, you get the gist. I do a sew. Okay, I've now since sewed the t-shirt on, and it looks pretty good. I cut a hole in the back of the jacket here, and I'm adding more safety pins. Yeah, and then I'll go ahead and make the bandana bit. So on the other patch, and I think we're good. Let's rock and roll, baby. You ready for the most metal jacket you've ever seen? Because I feel like I'm losing my mind on a daily basis. So this is the only patch I got. I didn't get the Iron Maiden one because, I don't know, Iron Maiden, and the other one, well, not my cup of tea. So, I'm gonna sew this one on for now and sew and stuff, yeah. Look, I got the patch sewed on, and the jacket is complete. So yeah, one thing I also did, this is a great angle, but like I've cut some little holes and added some more safety pins. I'll show you guys what it looks like in the final look. But yeah, gonna make the bandana, do my makeup, and I guess it's time for the final look. Guess I'll film more of that tomorrow on October 31st, 2022. Let's go. So yeah, hi. Here's the finished look. I did my makeup. I drew these little bats. This stuff gets everywhere. But it's the Lady Gaga face paint, and I use that for like my lips. I like to fill in some more details. I sewed this little guy, and of course other Eddie Munson pins, and the patch I sewed on.
I went to school dressed like that, and here you can see I'm obviously very good at acting and making a fool of myself trying to pretend to be Eddie, but it just looks really cringy. So yeah, there's that. On to the outro.
Thanks for watching. Please remember to hit that subscribe button. I hope you enjoyed it. Tweet me if you make this costume yourself for cosplay or for next Halloween or whatever it be. And yeah, I will see you guys next time. Subscribe and comment and like in the description box. Okay, bye.